go.
Yeah, take a look. I was taking a position. You were up to no good. Good afternoon, everyone. It's really late today. Oh my god, I look awful, but that's not the point. Today was really slow. We really didn't do much of anything for like the first half of the day. It's been super lazy. I didn't feel that great. I woke up with a really bad headache and I just didn't feel that good, so I pretty much didn't do anything. However, now I'm back and I'm motivated and I'm gonna go redo my whole entire pantry. It is a disaster. It needs to get redone. I put Timmy Trumpet on and Kendall is just like jamming out over there. Having fun? What's happening? Oh, there she is.
What's up, tomorrow?
Back to what I was saying. So I'm going to attempt to reorganize our pantry as best I can, add all the things that we bought yesterday at the store. I need to just like pull things out and then re-put things away. Let me show you what I'm working with at the current moment. Don't judge. Okay. So this is our current pantry situation. So as you can see, like all this stuff right here needs to find homes. Cereals need to have been gone through. Our bread bin that is now a disaster needs to get reorganized. I had to make room for our new toaster there. Like things just need to go because boxes, just every one of her snacks needs to go away. It needs to be redone. So that's the plan. The plan is I'm gonna go through this. I'm gonna restock bins because a lot of these are just like completely empty. These are like where Kendall's snacks all go. I don't know what he did here, but it should be in there because it's Oreos. So yeah, we're just gonna go and redo a lot of this. Wish me luck. It's gonna be fun. Kendall snacks. We still have 2 boxes in there that I gotta figure out homes for, this is where we're at thus far. Have some room there, so I'm gonna put the Google Squeezes up in that spot. This little one isn't exactly helping. Alright everyone, so here is finished product because it dawned on me this morning while I was finishing editing the video that I did not hit record when I did this yesterday. So here it is, our finished pantry. So everything is nice, restocked and organized. All the cereals have been gone through. We have our new toaster in here, which is really awesome because you can legitimately fit like a smaller Italian bread cut in half to make nice subs. Bread last night was organized. Now it's a little bit of a mess because we had tacos and we have some extra baking and cooking supplies down there. A lot of extra baking and cooking supplies up there. I hardly ever use any of those things, so that's why they're all high. All of Kendall's snacks are put away. Those are the only 2 boxes I couldn't find homes for, but it's okay because some of them are almost done. So soon they'll just be out the window and that'll be great. But yeah, there it is. There's our finished pantry. Like 4 hours ago, there was nothing there. It was just the foundation. All that framing on 2 houses have gone up already. That's insane. Look at that happy little puppy.
go.
Should we go take a look? I have a sneaking suspicion you were up to no good.
What'd you do? What'd you do? You did? Okay. You gonna clean it up? Yes? Okay, go ahead. Help mommy.
Come here. Wanna clean this up? Here. Oh, thank you. What about these?
Good job.
Good job.
Thank you.
One more? Oh, you're the best. Can I have a kiss? Oh. I have taco meat started. We have some jasmine rice in there. We did our pantry, so that's good and done now.
You did your pantry.
Well, yes, we meaning me, but Barry got rid of all of the boxes that I went through. And now, what are you doing in the fridge? What are you getting out of there?
Not for tacos.
Oh. So yeah, so we're just gonna make some dinner and then I think that's it, call it a night. But, that's that.
Now you're being good?
Well, Kendall's in a mood, even though you really can't tell at the current moment, because, well, she's in front of a camera.
Oh, hang on.
But, oh, you need to be in the middle? Okay. So we're going to go upstairs, watch a little bit of TV before we put Kendall down for bed.
Yeah.
Right, Kendall?
Yes. Thanks for hanging out with us again today. Hope you have a good night.
And we'll see you guys again
See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
And like, subscribe, and hit the notification. That way you can be notified every time we do upload, which is Monday through Saturday at 1 p.m. All right, Kendall, say bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye. Have a good night. I'm sorry, I waved in front of it.
Bye.